In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a form in Smartsheet quickly and easily. This is perfect if you already have a form set up and you want to reuse the same structure for a new project, a different team, or a slightly modified workflow without starting from scratch. Duplicating forms can save you a ton of time and help you stay consistent across your processes. If you're working with Smartsheet regularly, this is one of those simple features that can make a big difference. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet where your existing form is connected. This is important because forms in Smartsheet are always tied to a specific sheet. Once your sheet is open, look at the top menu area and click on Forms. This will open the Forms panel, where you can see all the forms associated with that sheet. If you don't see forms right away, make sure you're in the correct sheet and that you have permission to manage forms. Next, inside the Forms section, click on Manage Forms. This will bring up a list of all the forms connected to the sheet. Here, you'll see the form names, their status, and additional options for managing them. Take a moment to identify the exact form you want to duplicate, especially if you have multiple forms that look similar. Once you've found the correct form, move your cursor to the right side of that form and click on the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. This menu gives you access to several actions you can perform on that form. From the list of options, click on Duplicate. As soon as you do this, Smartsheet will create a copy of the form with the same fields, layout, and settings as the original. After duplicating the form, you'll see the new form appear in the list. It will usually have the same name with a copy indicator. From here, you can click into the duplicated form to rename it, adjust the questions, change logic rules, or update branding and confirmation messages. This duplicated form is completely independent, so any changes you make won't affect the original form. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully duplicated a form in Smartsheet and can now customize it for your new use case. This is a great way to stay efficient and maintain consistency across your workflows. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Smartsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.